What's up, guys? We got a Buick Rendezvous that's, well, sitting on blocks, but essentially this is my girlfriend's. I'm at her house, and this has been sitting here for years, and I'm very curious if it will actually crank. Apparently they drove it here and then locked it up and kinds of stuff. I got the jump pack on it. Let's see if it'll crank. I actually tried it. Apparently it's been sitting forever. Let's see if we got key. We got nothing. Uh-oh. No lights, no nothing. This is pretty nice, though. Alright. Let's see what we can do to fix that, then. Well, maybe we're just not making a good connection on that down there. Alright.